Boxing is related to politics. It is more than politics. I was entering the ring for almost 15 years, fought more than 200. I am a master of sports and my relatives, it asked close relatives who were detained. Man, you can talk. Our task is to awaken people so that they know their rights, know what crimes are happening. This is a We had a big office. We heard some big noise, and when we came out, we saw that there were representatives of the authorities and security forces on the roof. They broke the roof without permission and smashed the glass with stones. We were very scared, and we thought, what happened? It was a big provocation. Outside, there were unofficial collaborators of authorities, all dressed in civilian clothes. They wanted us to start shooting or maybe arrest some people there. It was a big provocation, and we left silently. We walked away, left the office, but they continued to tear our two-story office down. Tajikistan now lives in the atmosphere of fear, oppression, and terror, as if it were Stalin's regime. Yes, as if it were Stalin's regime.